Hello guys, I want to tell you a story. And it will explain why I want to record this video. Yesterday I repaired a 2000 watts inverter for a customer. And I checked a MOSFET that desoldering from this inverter. According to the datasheet, the voltage resistance of the MOSFET is 500 volts. But the tester shows it is just about 300 volts. And the low bridge MOSFET has burned. For a pure sine wave inverter, the input DC voltage is boosted to 400 volts first. Normally, the 400 volts is shared by the high bridge and low bridge. One shares 200 volts and another takes 200 volts. For some reason, if the low bridge is short, then 400 volts will add on the high bridge. So if the voltage resistance is below 400 volts, the shorted MOSFET will kill the normal one. For the spare parts, if you buy fake parts to repair, it will ruin all your efforts. Now I will show you some fake MOSFET and you will shocked by them. This one marks its voltage resistance is 600 volts. You can see it is new. I have not used it before. Let's test it. You can see its voltage resistance is 8 volts. This is amazing. Cannot imagine what will happen if I mount it to the inverter. This one is desoldering from the inverter, which marks the voltage resistance is 500 volts. And it shows 300 volts, but it's still too low for the inverter. Finally, let's test the normal one. Close to 400 volts, I can say it can be used after a fashion. So my suggestion is don't buy cheap parts. You would rather paying more money than wasting your time and energy. And you can be sure to deliver good repair equipment to your customers. Okay, the end. Hope you like this video and see you next time.